Hi, I'm Steve Nucleus,
And I'm Chuck Vesicle.
and this is Cell News.
We're reporting to you live from Lake Swannanoa.
Our top story today, the mitochondria leads in this year's cellular campaign. It's gonna be a good one, Chuck.
This year's cellular campaign does have me feeling some type of way.
Oh, Chuck, in case you didn't know, the mitochondria is the most important organelle in the cell.
And can you tell me why, Steve?
Of course I can. Chuck, the mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in the cell. These energy reactions take place inside of the cristae. The mitochondria creates ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, a high energy molecule used throughout the cell.
Steve, can you please tell me what is exactly inside the mitochondria?
Well, inside of the mitochondria is the outer membrane, inner membrane, matrix, and cristae. The outer membrane is selectively permeable, while the inner membrane is freely permeable. The cristae are the folds in the inner membrane, which increase the total surface area of the mitochondria, which makes more room for the matrix. The matrix is a fluid that contains enzymes responsible for citric acid cycle reactions.
Now, is there any correlation between autism and mitochondria?
Just a rumor, Chuck. Some children with autism have mitochondrial dysfunction. However, there is no definite connection between mitochondrial disease being the cause of autism.
Well, Steve, what about mitochondrial disease?
Mitochondrial disease is a rare disease that can only be inherited. The odds of getting born with mitochondrial disease are less than 1 in 250,000, or 4 in 1 million.
Let's talk about some other candidates. How about the ribosomes? How are they looking this year?
Well, this year, the ribosomes have dysregulation of ribosome biogenesis, and this has been linked to cancer.
Well, this year's dark horse, the endoplasmic reticulum, how are they looking?
Parkinson's as well as metabolic disease have resulted from endoplasmic reticulum stress. Not a good one.
The cytoskeleton looked to be the one coming in last this year. What was their issue?
Yeah, dysfunction of the cytoskeleton can influence damage of the DNA.
The cell membrane looks to be a strong competitor this year. What do you say about that?
Cell membrane can become fragile and lead to cell damage, as well as the fact that it regulates cellular traffic, and it can mistakenly allow harmful viruses and materials in.
The chloroplasts, they look pretty mediocre at best. What do you say
Yeah.
about that?
They can cause protein disorders in plants, leading to issues with the cell.
Well, the Golgi apparatus, they're the last one on our list. Do they have any strong points?
They have an effect on the neuropathy of Alzheimer's, as well as the fact that they can cause eye cell disease. They don't look too good.
Well, you heard it here from Cell News. The mitochondria is our favorite to win this year's cellular campaign. This is Chuck Vesicle,
Along with Steve Nucleus.
and this is Cell News.